Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool business model right here, and basically what this is a holder for like your toothpaste or your toothbrush. What you guys want to use it for, that's up to you guys, but they mentioned how this is for like toothpaste and toothbrush. So let me just open this up and show you guys what the product looks like inside first. So when you guys first open up, you guys can see that is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. Let's take out this little wrapper bag first. Alright, so when you guys open the product, you guys want to be really careful because they actually have these like non-slip mat on the bottom of the product, and these are basically 2 extra ones. If you guys look on the actual product right here, they actually have 4 of them right here already. So if anything goes wrong with these right here, if you guys lost it or whatever, you guys always replace the one that they give you guys, which are 2 extra ones. But these are definitely really nice, so that way when you guys put it onto like a table or a flat surface, it won't keep like moving around. And when you guys put the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality stainless steel material right here. And the way how they design the product allows like all the water to drip down, so that way actually keeps your product clean and also dry as well. But you definitely see the way how they design the product right here. This is a big opening for you guys to put like your toothpaste or your razor if you guys do use razors. And right here you can put like your toothbrush right here. Or if you guys want to, you can definitely put like your toothpaste here and your toothbrush here as well. And you can put other stuff on here if you guys want to. But mainly the way how to design it is so you can put like your toothbrush here and put like your toothpaste right here. And definitely one of the cool thing about the product right here is the fact that the material that they use right here, it is a rust-proof material. So you don't have to worry about the product rusting over time. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually bring this over to like the restroom and show you guys what the product looks like once you guys fully set it up, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product. Let me actually put some stuff in here to show you guys when it actually works. So first thing I want to do is probably put like a toothpaste here. If you can see, it definitely does work. I have my electric toothbrush. Let's see if it fits inside. Alright. So it doesn't seem like my electric toothbrush fit inside, but I can definitely put it here if I want to. So I guess if you guys have like a regular toothbrush, then you definitely put it inside right here. But if you guys have like a bulky electric toothbrush like this, they will not fit inside. But that's not a huge issue because I can use this to put it here and keep it organized if I want to. But if you guys have other stuff that's pretty small and then put it inside right here, you can definitely put it here as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product, and you definitely see that it does work and it works quite well. Basically it's like an organizer where you can put a lot of stuff on there. You guys are not restricted to put like just toothpaste and toothbrush. You guys can definitely put other stuff like your makeup stuff as well if you guys want to. As long as it can fit inside those holes or those gaps, they can definitely use in those situations. So now that we can unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to keep everything all organized, such as your toothpaste, your toothbrush, your makeup brushes, and etc. Then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.